I have a yucca plant that has got a white colored fungus on the leaves. It seems to be originating from the base of the leaves. What do I need to do to get rid of this? Also, can the fungus transfer to other plants? Do I need to isolate the plant away from my others? Please help. Thank you, and this is Shirley. So can we help Miss Shirley out?
We can help Shirley.
Let's help her out. Okay.
Yeah, mealybugs. Those are mealybugs.
Right.
Yeah. And it might be because it's too wet or it's too shady.
There's some kind of stress going on.
Some kind of stress going on, because yucca's like it hot and dry.
Right.
And so, but she can control. For one thing, I would put it in more sun and in a well-drained area. That's the first thing I would do to try to naturally control the mealybug. But then you can put neem oils and insecticidal soaps, and she can even wipe it off with alcohol if she really wants to.
Right.
But and yeah, it will go from plant to plant if that plant is stressed and can take soap.
It definitely will do that.
It can go from
And
plant
from the
to plant.
picture, it is in a pot.
Yeah.
So should be fairly easy to control.
Yeah.
Again, the low impact pesticides, like you mentioned, I would use the neem oil, horticultural oil, insecticidal soap. Know the life cycle. I would get them when they're young, when they're in the larva stage. They're easy to control during that stage. And you probably see some sooty mold because they have piercing, sucking mouth parts. They feed on plant sap. They're going to produce honey dew.
Yeah.
All right.
And yuccas have good sap for that. So
got to get them under control, and I think you'll be fine. So low impact pesticides, Miss Shirley, that will do it for you.
Yeah, and get it some more sun.
And give it some more sun.
And don't overwater it too much.
Right. Yeah, not too much water. Yeah, because we definitely don't want to stress it out.
Right.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.